It can affect joints like the big toe, feet, ankles, and knees.
Gout is a type of arthritis that evolves from an imbalance of the protein metabolism in your body.
A painful condition that can be triggered by what you eat.
Diet has a big part of that, so avoiding particular foods are important, especially animal products. Chicken, animal organs tend to have a lot of these things called purines in it, and when purine builds up in our body, causes these crystals to form.
A heavy protein diet can cause proteins to be deposited into the joints, resulting in inflammation and pain. This is when gout occurs and the joint becomes swollen and hot.
If you overload it by eating too many proteins and too much shellfish and red meat, these proteins build up in your system and your body cannot excrete it sufficiently through your kidneys.
Which is why health experts recommend eating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains.
If you do a drastic change, really controlling portion sizes of animal products, really increasing your fruits and vegetable consumption, you can definitely live without gout.
Drinking plenty of water, limiting alcohol, and maintaining a healthy weight can also lower your risk for gout.
I find that the majority of patients with gout have actually dehydration.
With regular physical activity and high fiber foods, gout can resolve on its own.
Just a little bit of manipulation of the diet and watching and hydrating yourself and watching how much alcohol intake, that can really make a big difference here.
Limiting animal protein and incorporating more fruits and vegetables can keep you healthy and prevent gout. For Lee Health, I'm Lindsay Morton.